Alright guys, I got the boat. It's on the trailer behind me. We're going to Granite Bay. We're gonna put it in the water and see if it floats. I got the motor, I double checked the battery, made sure it was all good. I filled up, got 3 gallons of two-stroke fuel, 50 to 1. Wish me luck, man. No water yet, dude. Check it out. I'm ready to go. I got my backup oar, dude. I got my 300-pound rated. I don't know if it's big enough to hold deer, but it's certainly big enough to hold my boat. And yeah, I don't see any water, dude. Look, no water in there at all. Let's see if it holds my fat ass, eh? It's running, dude. It's running. All right. Here we go. Cruising, dude. We're in the no-wake zone, so I'm going slow, and it's kind of shady. Look how low it is. It's just low to the ground. So, here we go. I'm gonna get on it as soon as we're out of the little no-wake zone area. This is my first time driving a boat by myself, so, and this is my boat, so give me a break, everybody. Just give me a break. Update: this is the maximum speed. I didn't even generate a wake. Like, look at my wake. It's nothing, and I'm maxed out, full throttle. So yeah, this is basically it. This is it. Well, first maiden voyage was pretty good. Went pretty good, I think. I don't know. It's got a leak. The motor's no power. However, if I was looking at it and I had the motor, so the bow's like this in the water, kind of like this, and the motor is like this, and it's blowing downward. So I think maybe if I change the tilt up a little, we can increase the thrust from the propeller, the prop thrust. So yeah, I'll do that. I'll try that, and then I'll bring it out again in a week or so. And another thing too is it's hella close to the ground or the water. Like, it's tripping me out, tripping me the F out. Okay. It looks like I have maybe 3 or 4 inches until the water hits me. So, and I do not want to sink this thing because I got it for free. Okay? Okay, so I got home and I was messing with it and I discovered that it's running on 1 cylinder. Check it out. Bottom one off. Okay? Off, right? 1 cylinder off. Here we go. 1 cylinder is running. Only 1 cylinder is going. Check it out. Yeah, pretty bitchin'. So now I'll have to try and find parts for that. 1972. So, good luck. All right, guys. I got it running great. So, I hooked up. And I figured out a way to, I took it apart. Here, I'll show you. I took this off, then this, and the flywheel came up, and then inside the flywheel there's 2 contactors that go on the cam that spins. So I took the contactor and squeezed it so it was actually touching the cam. One of the problems was it wasn't touching the cam to ground out. It wasn't activating this top thing. So I got it running. Here we go. Starts right up, dude. Swear to God, look. I haven't pre-started it, I promise. I promise you, I know what I'm doing. Runs pretty good. Smokes like crazy, but from 1968, what do you expect? Idle. Runs pretty good. All right, so I got it all dialed in. It was the carburetor, obviously. The adjustment screw for the mixture on the very bottom of it before it goes into the needle was way out, all the way out. So I tightened it up. I had it all figured out at home. Full throttle, both cylinders firing great. So we're gonna take it out one last time because now I'm gonna sell it because my mom, before she passed away, she got me a boat, a skiing boat. So thanks, Mom. I love you. Anyway, that thing's pretty fun. I took some friends out on it, but something about a bass boat, you know? Anyway, I'm gonna go do a little run with it just to make sure everything's good to go. No hull leaks, none of that stuff. It's already up for sale, but I figured a live run, some video footage would be a good idea, especially if you're trying to sell something. Anyway, we'll be on the lake next time. All right, I'm too fat. I'm too fat. It's running great. I don't have anybody up front, so I'm like plowing, right? Look. Bottom line, success. Motor runs really good. You need someone else to balance it out. I'm plowing right now, which means the boat can't get up on the plane. So, but listen. It's running good. So, success. But you need another person, man. And I'm 270 pounds, which is a lot. I don't know if you know that, but if it's 270 pounds in the butt of the boat and nothing in the front, you can't use the boat's plowing abilities or the hydroplanes to get up. So success-ish, but we're going home now. Thanks, guys. All right, so the boat sale was a success. I got $1,000 cash. Bam. But of course I went right out the window again because I had to repair my other boat my mom bought me. It's having a throttle cable shifting linkage, something was wrong. It wasn't shifting until it was actually giving it gas, like until it was throttling up, and it was causing all kinds of problem in that shifter box. So I paid for that to be done because I don't know enough about that stuff yet. But thanks for sticking with me, guys. I'm really sorry it took so long. I've been working on crazy things at work and school and school with the kids, and it's just hard. So anyway, I'll see you on the next one, eh?